Can one person's gain in the stock market really mean someone else is losing out? Let's dive into the details. Welcome to the channel. Every day I explore personal finance questions that real people are asking on Stack Exchange and highlight the top answers from the community as well as any key takeaways. If you're new here, consider subscribing for daily videos just like this one. All right, let's take a look at today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Is stock market profit gained from others' losses? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, in summary, a newcomer to stock trading is trying to make sense of it all, but feels like it's a bit like betting on sports with all its unpredictability. They're puzzled about whether money is actually created in the market, or if making money means someone else is losing it. They're also curious about the real value of stocks, especially those that don't offer dividends, and wonder how value is really created. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that the stock market usually grows over time, meaning it isn't a zero-sum game. As companies expand by producing goods and services, their value increases. So, long-term investors can make a profit without others losing money, since the market tends to rise in the long run. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that short-term trading is a lot like sports betting, full of uncertainty and risk. In contrast, long-term investing benefits from company growth and dividends. It highlights that market psychology, like trends in buying or selling, can impact stock prices significantly. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. One response points out that new cash flows into the stock market mainly through company dividends and buyouts. It also notes that profits from stock trading come from other traders, with stock market gains relying on company profits, distributed as dividends or buyouts. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Buying stocks is like owning a little piece of a company, and as that company thrives, its stock price can rise. Investors can then sell for a profit. Stock prices fluctuate with supply and demand, so one investor profiting doesn't mean another is losing. Plus, companies can boost value by paying dividends or reinvesting profits for growth, which increases overall market wealth. So in this video, we've covered how stock market gains aren't just about others' losses. Companies grow and create new value over time, allowing investors to profit by selling shares at higher prices. Dividends and reinvestment help boost company value, while stock prices fluctuate due to supply, demand, and market perception, not just individual losses. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.